We are the K-flower in Korea. For U.S. exporters, our market is full of new opportunity. Every year, more Koreans want gardens at home. For U.S. growers, this means steady demand. Perennial plants and shrubs are in strong demand. Exporters can count on reliable buyers in Korea. Echinacea, roses, hydrangeas, and shrubs. Each U.S. plant is valued in Korea for its unique beauty.
American seedlings are trusted worldwide. In Korea, they are valued for quality and consistency. Korean landscapers seek steady partners. Demand for perennial plants and shrubs keeps rising.
Stable supply and proper certification are vital. Korean buyers expect strict quality control. With efficient logistics, perennial plants and shrubs travel from the U.S. to South Korea by air and by sea, arriving fresh and ready to plant. We invite U.S. exporters of perennial plants and shrubs. Join us in the growing Korean market. Korean buyers are looking for trusted suppliers of perennials and shrubs. The opportunity is growing every year. Korean buyers trust U.S. seedlings for their quality and reliability. Exporters can build on this reputation. The Korean market for perennial plants keeps expanding. U.S. exporters can share in this growth. Korean cities support community gardens. This creates steady demand for perennials and shrubs.
Exporting to Korea means steady orders and long-term buyers. It is a market worth entering now.
The K-flower connects U.S. exporters with Korean demand. We are here to build strong partnerships.
Partnership with the K-flower ensures smooth connections between U.S. exporters and Korean buyers.
We visit Korean growers directly, ensuring that exported plants match local needs and conditions.
Korea's demand for perennials and shrubs will only increase. Exporters who join now will grow with us. Send us your company profile and product list. The K-flower will respond quickly to connect with your business. Contact the K-flower today at thekflower@thekflower.com. Together, we can build a successful future in the Korean market. All contact information and our email are in the YouTube description and comments. Please read them and reach out to us there.